Hello and welcome. In this YouTube video course for free, you will learn X64 assembly language. The course is on Ubuntu Linux, which you are shown how to install in a virtual machine. We first start by learning how to create a hello world in assembly language. Then you'll learn about the assembly execution flow and how it's different to languages such as C. You'll then learn all about general purpose registers and the stack. You'll learn how to push and pop to the stack in your program. As the course progresses, you will learn how to interface C code with your assembly. So you'll essentially be able to create some assembly programs that can talk with compiled C code, which is amazing. You'll learn how to access structures, like C structures, from within assembly language. You'll learn how to call interrupts from within assembly language to make things happen, such as printing messages to the screen. You'll also learn how to work with C pointers from within assembly language. All of this and some other goodies, all for free. So make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Check the video description for the next video. A new video will be released every week until the course is entirely completed. If you're watching this a couple months from now, the course is probably already completed. So get watching and enjoy.